Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Khan Academy as a teacher. So currently we are at khanacademy.org. This is the exact URL. And on this homepage, I can click on teachers. Okay. And we're going to be signing up as a teacher. I'll continue with Google. There's other options as well. You can continue with Clever, Facebook, Apple, or sign up with email. I'll just continue with Google and choose one of my Google accounts. I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. Okay, and then click on continue. And then we should be initialized. And in a moment, I will be on my welcome page for teachers. Okay, so just wait for this. And here we go. First, what you need to do is enter your, date of birth if you want to go ahead and get Khanmigo, which is their AI-powered teaching assistant. Okay, we'll set our month there and our year as well. So I'll scroll down right here and choose 2000 and we'll go ahead and get that as well. Now, we can use these tools later. It's AI powered tools, right? You can go ahead and learn this if you would like. What I'll do is I'll go back and I'll show you how to create a class. Okay. So we'll go ahead here and click on create a class. There we go. So here it says, are you a teacher using Khan Academy on behalf of a school? If you are, you can go ahead and choose yes. Okay. Or you can choose no. Then I'll go ahead and click on save. There we go. Right. So here we need to enter our class name first, or you can actually import your class from Google Classroom. For this purpose, I'll choose this option because most of you will probably be using this one instead of the Google Classroom. So we'll go ahead and name the class first. There we go. Biology 11th grade O levels. Next. So which course would you want your students to work on? So here we have science because we chose biology in the search. You automatically pick that up. So we will do a high school biology and click on next. So there are multiple ways to add your students. You can invite them, your Google Classroom, right? You can send them a class link, or you can have them use a class code, or what you can do is you can create your students' accounts. But this one, you can only do it if you are using, the service as a teacher on behalf of a school. Okay, you would have to sign up for that when you were signing up, or you can go and select for that on your dashboard. For this purpose, I'll choose a class link or code. So here we go. This is our class link. So I'll just copy this, or you can share the class code and your students can join your class. So here we go. This is our class. You can add students as well, right? You can just invite them through your Google Classroom. You just have to connect in that way. Okay. And you can also access your settings for this class right there. So here I can see my display name. You can change, you can copy the code, you can change your course at any time, right? And you can always download your student data, your student assignments, completion status, scores, and you can also go ahead and sync this with a Google Classroom, okay? Now here, if I click on assign, I'm able to assign a course or unit mastery goals to my students and set the due date as well. You can, set for the entire course, right? Or you can do specific individual units right here and give a deadline. So April 11th, that's a little bit too far for me. I'll go ahead and choose, let's do 31st of March. Okay. And if you have students, you can go ahead and create this unit goal. And here you can also monitor progress, okay, that your students are currently working on, their progress. And then you can come here to assignments. You can assign assignments. So here it has picked up, high school biology assignments and content that I can go ahead and, assign it to my students. So here we go. We can go ahead and view any of those. So we have videos, articles, and exercises. You can go ahead and view them and assign as you see fit. Okay, you can go ahead and view those any point in time. And just toggle these on, this check marks, and just click on assign a start date, due date, start time, and due time. Okay, so here we'll do for all the future students. And here you can come to scores. You'll be able to view all of the scores of your students, how they're performing on the content you are assigning to them. and you can just tap on any assignment name to get more detailed report. If I come here on manage, so we have this quiz right here, right? We are able to edit this, make a copy, right? You can even delete them as well. If I toggle this one on, we have option to delete or edit dates as well. Now here in the admin section, you will see students and the respective usernames, emails, and you can also go ahead and remove them once they join. And now here we are back to the settings page. And what you need to do is come here at the top right, click on the profile icon, and you can go back to the teacher dashboard and see all your classes. And there we go. Really that easy and simple.